How to change currency on QU MATIX. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on QU MATIX and wondering how to change your currency setting, it is super easy once you know where to look. First of all, launch the QU MATIX app and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you do that, from the home page, go ahead and click on the account button at the top left. From the Accounts tab, you'll see My Currency option at the top. Click on Change. Now, on the right corner, click the drop-down to change to a new currency. Choose the currency you want to change to and click on Yes, Proceed. Once you do that, you'll be able to change your currency in the account. Your prices and balances should now display in the new currency. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.